Where the land provides, the table is never empty. Today we are gathering fresh Sukuma Wiki and preparing a meal straight from the garden. First, let me show you the farm. Rows of healthy maize standing tall, and besides them, the fresh green Sukuma Wiki ready to be picked. This is where our meal begins. Look at these beautiful leaves straight from the garden, fresh and full of life. Nothing compares to vegetables grown at home. Now it's time to harvest. We carefully pick the tender Sukuma Wiki leaves, choosing only the best ones for cooking. And here I'm picking some fresh spring onions too, which add such a sweet and natural flavor to the dish. We continue plucking the Sukuma Wiki until we have enough for everyone. There's something so satisfying about gathering food with your own hands. Here's our bounty for today, fresh greens straight from the land to the kitchen. Next step, we remove the tough stalks and wash the leaves thoroughly, clean, fresh, and ready to cook. The stalks don't go to waste either. They are perfect for the chickens. Nothing is wasted here in the village. Now we chop the Sukuma Wiki into smaller pieces, ready for the sufuria. Then we finally chop the spring onions. No chopping board today, just simple village style. Now here are the ingredients we'll use. We have fresh Sukuma Wiki, Royco cubes and salt, onions, and cooking oil. We start by adding the onions into the sufuria first. Then goes the oil, and we stir the onions and cook until soft and fragrant. Once the onions smell amazing, it's time to add the Sukuma Wiki. Watch how the pot fills with all that green and fresh goodness. Now we season with Royco cubes and a little salt, then stir everything together until perfectly cooked. And just like that, our Sukuma Wiki is ready to serve. Today we enjoyed ours with ugali and leftover fish. A simple village meal but rich in flavor and comfort. Thank you for joining me in the village today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more peaceful village life moments.